Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add admins to your group on Facebook. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Facebook application on your device and log into your account if you haven't done so already using your credentials. After logging in, you will be taken into your homepage from which you can see various different posts. Now, if you have a group on Facebook on which you want to set up an admin, then tap on your menu icon at the top right corner. From there, tap on Groups and then tap on Your Group. From here, simply tap on Your Group and you will be taken into your group page. From this page, tap on the Manage option and now within the Manage Group page, scroll down until you find Community Roles. You will then find the Admin option. Tap on Admin and now you can search for people in order to add them as your admin onto your group. Just search for your member within the group that you want to add as an admin, and when you find them, simply tap on their profile. You will then find the Add button which you can tap on, and this member will be sent a request to accept the admin role. Once they tap on the Accept button, this user will now become an administrator of your group. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add an administrator onto your Facebook group. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.